Hello, let me present you today the feature called price elasticity. It has been developed to correlate the price we get on the market and your demand book pace. I'm Emmanuel Scuto, the CEO and founder of WeYield. During this video, you're going to navigate through the various menus of WeYield apps and understand some features. It's pretty easy to catch, however, you will understand better if you know already how the rate shop works and how, if you are more familiar, let's say, with the demand book pace. To know more, we have some tutorials already recorded that you can watch at any time. You will learn new terminology such as rate shop, booking pace, and price elasticity. Let's dive in now. When you log in, you are directed to your home page with the blue and the gray tiles. Click on the navigation bar and go directly to the pricing module, and then click on the pricing pace option. The reason why the price elasticity is only available on the pricing pace menu is due to the fact that you usually do not shop all departure dates while you have them all for the on-rent, as we extract this from the PMS data. By default, the furthest away departure date is displayed. So, go to the checkout menu and choose the departure date you want to analyze. And then your pricing pace is displayed. The more data you shop, the nicer graph you will get, for sure. As you may have noticed, the tool type with the competitor rate list is now located and locked on the left-hand side of the screen. Activate the toggle button on the bottom and wait a few seconds for the system to compute the booking pace data for that departure date selected. And on the same page you have now two graphs displayed. But this is not the end. Because we are nice guys, we have synchronized the two graphs to adjust each reservation date and see the correlation between the price changes and the demand and the RPD situation. So instantly, at a glance, you can see your price evolution as well as the one of your competitors throughout the booking timeline, and get the details of the portfolio of reservation, fleet and utilization you got for each price change. This is what we call correlation. You can clearly measure the impact of a price drop on your booking. You can also see how long it took to get a market reaction when you change a price. And eventually, if this price change was efficient and required at the end. You got it all? So you can change and select a new departure date. You can also select other rental duration, car types, or any other filter to go further down. So what we have learned are it's quick and easy to correlate my demand and the price changes as well as the one from the competitors. The price elasticity graph is great to analyze your pricing impacts and avoid mistakes in the future. You just need to shop enough price points to make it even more understandable. We have many other features on our WeYield apps. Subscribe to our WeYield YouTube channel to know more.